In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo in AppyPie. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the AppyPie account page. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and complete any verification prompts to reach your dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, keep your focus on the left-hand side panel. This panel is where AppyPie groups your account controls. From that left panel, select Profile. That takes you to your profile area, where you manage your personal info and the image that represents your account. On the profile page, look for the Photos section. This is dedicated to your profile picture. Click Photo, then choose Add Profile Picture. A file picker window will open from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the photo you want to use, and confirm to upload. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit headshot. Square or close to square images work well here, and common formats like JPG or PNG are ideal. If the image is large, don't worry. AppyPie will let you crop it next. After your photo loads, you'll see a preview with handles or a frame you can adjust. Position the image so your face is centered and use the zoom or drag controls to fine-tune the framing. Pay attention to the edges. You want to avoid cutting off the top of your head or leaving too much empty space. When the preview looks right, click Crop. AppyPie processes the image and applies your selection. Within a moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating the profile picture saved successfully. Your new photo will appear in the profile view, and you may also notice it update in the top bar or side panel where your avatar is shown. A quick pro tip before you wrap up: choose a neutral background and consistent lighting so your photo looks professional across the platform. Keep the file size reasonable to speed up uploads, and if the crop frame is circular or square, place your eyes slightly above center for balance. If an upload ever stalls, try a smaller image or refresh your browser. If something doesn't look perfect on the first try, simply return to the photo section and repeat the process with a different image or a tighter crop. A few small adjustments can make a big difference in clarity and recognizability. And that's it. You've added your photo in AppyPie, giving your account a professional, personal touch. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher.